Alright guys, doing some Friday Night Lights. Out with Charlie, got Josh, Brian, Kevin, Mustang Maddie out here.
That was the first time in my life I was ever on the side of Charlie.
The security guard gave us an okay, blocked the path off. We good here.
What would mine say?
Got a new fella came out, he's over there. He's testing one of his cars, he got an infraction and stuff. Hit them fans Brian got on there. Brian put an extra motor on there. Alright, I see that. Kevin's out here chilling. Got his collection out there. Alright, we're gonna set up, get it going.
Watch your angle.
Yeah. Nice pass. Nice save, Brian.
Is that you?
Man, I didn't catch it, man. My man Charlie had a bad one. He had a bad hit.
My thing all
Careful, I don't want it to short out, but dude, the whole cell is gone.
Damn,
I went to hit the thing.
Holy top random! You came around him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was a hell of a run though, bro. She looking good out there. Yeah, I definitely came around you because you ran a 2.7, so I ran a 2.3. So I had to walk you around you.
No, that car's definitely, whatever you did, it worked.
You don't leave that hat on you.
Yeah. Right at the end, we both flipped, right?
Hey, we're back.
Oh, shit, you lucky.
If it was a crawler, I'd just go faster than you and flip you back over.
2427. This the first time we doing this, so we got a few new people out. It was good to see new faces. Got the usual locals out. Shout out to them for always coming out. Everybody out here just having some fun. What it's all about.
I love that car. I can love it.
Thing moving.
You see this Dodge 450 right here? It's got a system in it and everything.
But you wouldn't need, like I said,
Nice run, Brian. That was a good scene. Sitting out here, my man got a system in there. He got woofers in the back and everything.
he's got a whole system that was just thumping on that thing.
Menor vendiendo roca con 2 potes y una cana. Los potos de madrugada le rompen la ventana. Los frailes te llaman, la capital completa. Así mismo están los campos, le dan atacar maneca. Yo sé que tú quieres mi contacto, PR, tú eres chote, PR, eres chivato, chivato. Que tú quieres mi contacto, PR, tú eres chote, PR, eres chivato.
Wow. Oh shit. No. Hey, let it stay there. That's a good plot. That's a perfect spot, bro.
You're getting faster and faster.
Yeah, he letting off.
The bench is actually the best thing that could be there, because it would have been the building if it wasn't the bench.
Damn, sure. What up?
It's much better with warmer tires. No, you know, everything's much better.
Oh, it's the same on here, isn't it?
How you like the fun?
For him for Sundays.
popping halfway down.
What, mine? Oh, shit. Me.
Oh, the GT5. Oh, I thought I read that. I let off.
That was a hell of a pass. That was a hell of a pass, bro. Why didn't he?
Good. Yep. Good.
Just more.
I called it. I knew you would train him.
There you go. There you go. Good. Good. You good. Now.
You good, you good. Go, go. You go. You can go. No. He hit one. Ain't been getting much video, been doing a lot of communication. My boy running tonight, huh? Look like nighttime is your night. Spot is that?
You're
on the bumper.
Hey, you good. You good. That's gonna hurt. You're good. You're good. Damn.
You're good. Yeah.
There you go.
I hit motor temp anyway.
Spinning.
Making some sense, huh?
Wait for the green light. That was a pass. Dead.
I'm telling you,
That was
you
dead fucking straight.
Turned up too high.
Much better.
Look at that bitch.
You were this?
And it would be during the day, just the road from no sun.
Yes. You good, you good.
I don't think he's got power. Yeah, he lost power.
You got it. There you go. That left lane's running. That was running. That was much better. That was looking good.
Only one. Good.
That's all right.
2-8, 3-1.
That looked good. 2-8 is no good for me. 1 is good.
You took that. Nice run. I know I wasn't going to take that. Was an ugly run. Hell of a run. That was a nice run. Nice, nice. Look at the wheelie ball. No way. No way.
Give me 2 of them, 2 of them.
Nah, you got that car down, bro.
That was a nice run.
You got that car down. Nice run.
No, but you held it together. You held it together though.
Fine. Consistent. Yeah, consistent. Shut up, bro. 2-5 consistent. No, stop flying here. It's too much cars, bro. What?
Yeah, I take it out. Oh,
Yeah.
you got a shirt on.
Oh, I got you. Nice fucking run. Nice run.
And you wasn't even holding it down, right?
Not even.